right in. Let's show you this landing here my husband made for my feet so that they can stand right here, and it's sturdy enough. You can stand, you can walk on it.
Yep.
Just slide right in. This holds it in place.
Just pin down with that. That's nice.
Yeah. So I'm Tammy. This is Rod. We were here last year for Schoolie Palooza. Our bus didn't have a name then, and it does this year. It's a Hoot. You can find us on Instagram.
It's not It's a Hoot, it's Life's a Hoot.
Oh, Life's a Hoot. Dang it, see, it's so new I don't even know it. So last year when we came, there was hardly anything done in here, so all this is new. Do you want to show them how that slides out? I'm sure, I mean, I've seen them in other...
So this will extend to make more seating.
Nice.
And it also opens for storage.
Storage is...
And the other side's the same way. Because you got to put storage everywhere you can.
And we were lucky, these came with the bus, and we said definitely keeping them.
Very few buses have these.
Yeah.
I grew up with buses that had those, but
really?
but I'm old.
No, I try to get ideas from people that had them, and I can't find them, so we're just like, oh, we'll just leave
I'll try to remember. There's somebody here, they taking and lowering some of it down by just taking the brackets and straightening them out and hang them, but I can't remember which bus it is.
Are they up here?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool to see. Yeah.
But it's one of the tours that has appeared before this one.
All right. So if we don't see it here, we'll see it on your
There you go.
YouTube. Awesome. This is our spot for our, what is it called? Tiny wood stove.
Yeah, cubic mini.
But
this is not it, but
oh, you have a Wave 8.
this is a Wave 8 behind here. This is just an electric heater. And our wood burner is on back order, eternally apparently.
It's stuck out in the middle of the ocean, not coming back in. All this was plywood last time. So we've got countertops in, our little mini stove oven, got it painted. I think we had our fridge in here.
We did.
And of course, they celebrate February 30th and 31st.
Oh my gosh! I love that.
Those are the two days everybody doesn't drink.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good eye. That's funny. We didn't have running water last time, so we've got running water. We have our washer dryer combo. Have not used it. Will we? I don't know. We store our dirty laundry in there.
Sure. We got to store it someplace.
Right. Pantries. Doors. We didn't have doors. We had shower curtains for everything. So now we have, we'll probably catch it on the way back, I think. I don't know, do you want to read what our, get naked unless you're stopping by, that would be weird, into our shower. What is this? Cultured marble shower. And then the door opens and stops right here to give us more shower room, bathroom room.
Sure. I've seen one bus that actually had a latch on there, so the door would latch in this position or that position.
Right. He plans to.
I think it was they're not here. I'm trying to get them to get here. Gilliam Phantom.
Oh, I saw that bus last.
That's what he did on his bus. I think that was the one. It might have been somebody else.
We'll have to check it out and see.
No, it wasn't him. It was somebody else. Sorry about that. Yeah, but that's what he did. He made it so that the door would open out of the bathroom and latch,
so
across. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah. And then this one does the same thing. It opens and blocks off.
Right. So it gives you a nice big bathroom changing area.
Yep. Then the bedroom. It was just a bed. No, I don't think we had walls, did we? I don't know.
No, it was.
And
I think the shiplap was up, but that was it.
we got nightstands.
So these just dressers, or did you build those?
We built them.
Built them.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
This one mostly covers the air cleaner,
Ah,
but it looks like that one.
Yeah. It's missing
yeah.
the
That's
door on it still,
with
but-
the rear engines. That's the thing. People try to figure out how am I gonna disguise that. That's a good idea.
Yeah, which way do you put the bed? How do you, right? And under the bed is a 75 freshwater tank. What else is under here? The water pump. What is this
There's
heater?
one of the bus heaters left.
A lot of storage and
A lot of storage. Go up there.
What are you showing up here?
Wanna turn the
Oh,
light
he
off?
just did this. I am so excited. We didn't have lighting. And he put it in and I'm so excited because I can get into bed now and then shut it off.
nice.
All our other lighting has just been plug-ins and battery operated. So we're getting there. It's, what have we had it?
Well,
Almost
you know,
2 years
we
now.
all say
Never.
schoolies are never done.
No.
Mostly done.
Yeah. Enough to live in, and then you always find something else to
Yep.
do, but
Yeah. This past year, the tweaks that I've done on mine were not visible, so I didn't really do a tour. I did things like I upgraded the electric system and that kind of stuff, but I like what you've done.
yeah, thank you.
Now I'm going to go back and look at last year's video.
Yeah, I am
Right.
excited to compare the two.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.